Hello and welcome back to another Roblox scripting tutorial. Today we're going to be doing, we're going to be looking at the loops. So if we go straight into workspace and add a script and get rid of print hello world, we're going to create a local variable known as this is true and that equals true. So for this to equal true, this means we can now actually add a loop. You could also just do while true do, and then inside of this loop everything will consistently run forever until you actually do return. So if we do return, that will end the statement, but for now we don't actually want to do an infinite loop. We want to do while this is true do, and you don't actually need to do equals equals or equals true, because while this is true is already true. So that means just while this is true. If we wanted it to be false, it would be while this is true equals false do. So we want to print let's actually make a local variable again. Let's make it called I. So local I equals 0, and then so while this is true do I equals plus equals 1, and then we are going to do an if statement. So if I is greater than or equal to 10, then we will end the statement. So we will do this is true equals false. So if we now run this, we won't get anything because I didn't actually put print. Cancel that. So go back into here. So while, and then we're going to print I. So there we go. As you can see, we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cancel that. And go back onto here, and then we can actually add a wait feature. So if we do wait, then do 1 second, it'll actually be a little bit nicer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it'll stop at 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. So that was just a little bit of a basic overview of the loops inside of scripting in Lua. So I hope you guys learned something, and feel free to, I'm less than feel free, actually go and try this out yourself and practice it and see what you can actually do with just the things that I've told you or the things that we've learned in this series. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next episode. Peace out.